At a time when Meghalaya government is dwelling much on traffic problems during the school hours, Education Minister Rakkam Sangma admitted that there are few takers of the STEM buses service in the state. Sangma said the buses were introduced on a pilot project to ease the traffic congestion in the state. The minister said not many parents and schools are in line to use the service. He said within Shillong city, if the schools are not using these buses, then these should be sent to the colleges and schools across the state in different districts.
We will meet the concerned department. We will discuss with the urban affairs department. I would be happy because within the Shillong city, if the schools and the college doesn't want to use their buses, I think we will certainly examine why not it gives to the college from different districts of the state. We will take up this matter with the urban affairs department.
The delegation of Karbi Anglong